everybody, welcome to today's video. We got a 26 by 16 that took some tornado damage. You see the crease on the bottom two sections there, and we got the crease right in the middle sort of, and then offset to the right. The wind was so strong it pushed these sections in, creased them up, so now we're changing them out. You see our bars up there, we got the springs barred up, and we're just disassembling. There's our pile of new. All right, we're changing out the bottom second, skipping the third, and taking the fourth out, which means we're taking all four of them out. Vice grips under the rollers, hooked up to the opener. We got to back wind the spring to drop down these four to take them out, replace them, then repeat backwards, and then do the steps again to get it back on track. Got the fourth one out. It looks kind of weird. All right, so here's the project we did yesterday. On the left door there, we changed out the bottom, second, and fourth panel. And on the right-hand door, we changed out all the sections. The damage came from an F2 tornado that kind of ripped through this area here. Straight line winds creased the right-hand door there from top down to bottom. And the left door there sustained 3 panels worth of damage. Looks a lot better. Let's go inside and take a look. Yeah, so one thing that storm did is when it blew in on the door, it bent the opener arms. So I came back here today and, replaced the straight arm, and they're good to go. Yeah, this job took all day. These doors I did during the winter time. It was definitely kind of sad to hear, when the guy called me and said, hey, guess what? The tornado did some damage on the doors. So yeah, that was like a kick to the gut because super proud of this job here. 2 big monster doors, big old monster springs, dual trolley. They still haven't got the conduit and the power set up yet, but looks like they got the conduit up there ready to go. They just got to get the wiring squared away. So I really apologize for not getting a ton of footage yesterday of the taking the sections out and replacing them. It was one of those, we get here 8 o'clock in the morning and it was just go time until we were done basically. Very little time to fool around with getting footage. I got as much as I could, but I definitely wanted to show you guys what happened on this particular job. Right there's the stack of panels that we changed out.
Oh my God!
Yeah, that was a lot of work. These things are heavy, especially all hardwared and strutted up. That glass panel, super heavy as well. Looks good, looks good. So I really appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out this video. If you got any questions about this, you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace out, guys.